welcome to my podcast Believe Achieve. I'm Sunita Gill, your host, and today we are exploring the powerful traits that sets apart individuals who consistently achieve success over time. What are these traits? It's not charisma, intelligence, or even luck. The answer lies in self-control. Embracing discipline may not be glamorous. It's steady, unwavering, or dedications of someone admitted to their goals no matter what obstacle arrives. In this episode, we'll delve into the empowering habits of disciplined individuals who ultimately thrive, along with actionable strategies to help you incorporate these habits into your own life. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. Mastering delayed gratification. Disciplined individuals have mastered the powerful art of delayed gratification, unlocking a life of purpose and achievements. By cultivating patience, they rise above the temptation of instant results, staying focused on their long-term goals. We have all seen it happen. Social media constantly feeds us instant updates and likes. Then advertisements lure us with instant deals and discounts. Movies and TV shows provide instant entertainment. But disciplined individuals resist these short-term temptations. They invest their time and energy and efforts in pursuits that yield lasting rewards. The principle is rooted in the famous marshmallow test. Children who delayed eating a marshmallow for short period received setting marshmallow as a reward. Same those who waited patiently experienced greater rewards and benefits. In fact, studies show that those who can resist short-term temptation often reach better relationships, greater career success, improved physical and mental health, increase financial stability. By mastering delayed gratification, disciplined individuals empower themselves to achieve their full potential. There are certain actionable strategies which can help you to achieve your too, like practice gratification is in small ways like waiting 10 minutes before responding to social media notifications. Then set long-term goals and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. And the third one is celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. Trick number 2. Creating a framework for success. They create a framework for success and commit to it. Imagine having an environment that constantly works in your favor, boosting your productivity and motivation. That's exactly what individuals with self-control create for themselves. By designing structured systems that support their goals, they cultivate an environment that helps them to stay focused on what truly matters to them. Let's break this down further. Consistent routines. They establish regular habits that save their time and energy. Plan days. They schedule tasks in advance to avoid last-minute chaos or stress. Automatic tasks. They eliminate repetitive decisions by automatic mundane tasks. By structuring their lives, they conserve energy by avoiding constant choices between discipline and distractions, minimize decision fatigue, and maintain focus on high-leverage activities. Then they optimize their environment for success, making progress towards their goals almost effortless. There are certain actionable strategies they use to achieve this, that is, establish a consistent morning routines that boost their energy and make them to be focused. Then they plan out their day the night before to reduce decision fatigue. And lastly, automate repetitive tasks such as bill payments and data entry, etc. Let's explore the third important trait of a disciplined individuals, which is cultivating mindful awareness. They cultivate mindful awareness rather than operating on autopilot mode. Most of us exist in a state of autopilot where we scroll mindlessly through our phones, snack unnoticeably throughout the day, and react emotionally rather than making deliberate choices. But disciplined individuals are different. They pause and observe, practicing mindfulness to intercept impulses before they manifest into actions. This empowers them to make deliberate choices that align to their long-term goals. They ask themselves the very first thing, which is this truly what I desire? Secondly, they ask, will this action propel me closer to or further from my long-term goals or objectives? Basically, mindfulness is the foundation of self-control, enabling individuals to reclaim agency, make intentional decisions, harness their inner strength, and create positive change in their lives. Without mindful awareness, we are susceptible to every fleeting whim. But with it, we reclaim agency and the capacity of deliberate decision making. Now we dive into the actionable strategies to achieve this trait, which is the very first one. Practice mindful meditation for at least 5 to 10 minutes daily. Pause before reacting to impulsive or emotions. Ask yourself if the actions aligns with your long-term goals or not. Also, we have discussed about the importance of self-awareness, emotional regulations, and time management in cultivating self-control. Now let's talk about the crucial aspect of discipline, which is embracing discomfort for growth. Discipline means acknowledging or accepting discomfort as a catalyst for growth rather than avoiding it. Think about it. Declining enticing opportunities that distracting you from your goals. Engaging in exercise when your body craves rest. Addressing challenging conversations head-on despite the discomfort. Individuals who exhibit discipline recognize that stepping out of their comfort zones is essential for meaningful progress. In fact, observing those who excel in their respective fields, relationships, or health reveals that their success is attributable to numerous instances where they prioritized discomfort over convenience. We should need to ask ourselves a reflective questions as the disciplined people ask themselves, what's one area in our lives where we have been avoiding discomfort and how can we start embracing it for growth? Let's dive into the actionable strategies. Identify an area you need to embrace discomfort for growth. Then take the first step towards embracing discomfort in that area. And don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Let's explore another essential trait of disciplined people who achieve long-term success is establishing boundaries. They establish boundaries and enforce them. Without boundaries, self-control is unattainable. Disciplined individuals possess an ability to decline requests and say no when necessary. They say no to gossip that wastes their time, no to overcommitment that drains their energy, no to toxic relationships that harm their well-being, and no to habits that distract them from their goals. They protect their time and energy like the precious resources they have. This isn't called selfishness, it's called self-respect. By setting boundaries, they make a space for what truly matters to them. They prevent endless distractions that derail most people, preserve their physical, emotional, and mental energy. To achieve this attribute or trait, we have some actionable strategies like identify one area where you need to set a boundary. Communicate your boundary clearly to others and enforce your boundary consistently. Number 6 is measuring progress, not perfection. Here's a question. What's the mindset of disciplined individuals who achieved a long-term success? Answer is very simple. They measure progress, not the perfection. Self-control is not about achieving a flawlessness, it's about a consistency. Disciplined individuals don't engage in self-criticism over minor setbacks. Instead, they monitor progress, focus on long-term trends, track progress, and embrace every step forward no matter how small. They understand that self-control is about cultivating consistency, not chasing an unattainable ideal. When faced with minor setbacks such as missing a gym session, they don't dwell on the mishap. Seamlessly get back on the track the very next day. By recognizing that success stems from a series of small, deliberate actions, they unlock a powerful momentum that propel them forward. There are few actionable strategies which help you to achieve this trait, and that is track your progress using a habit tracker or journal, focus on our long-term trends, not daily perfections, and the most importantly, celebrate small wins along the way. Now jump into the trait number 7, which is connecting discipline to a broader why. We have explored several traits of disciplined individuals, but there is one crucial element that drives their persistence: a clear and compelling why. Sheer willpower has limitations. Eventually, willpower alone becomes exhausting. So, what motivates the disciplined individual to persist? It's not mere self-denial, but rather purpose. They are cognizant of the reasons behind their actions, whether it involves providing for their families, mastering a craft, building a business, living a healthier life. Their discipline is fueled by a sense of meaning. This expansion vision transforms discipline from a tedious task and devoted endure. There are few actionable strategies for this trait, like reflect on your why behind your goals, write on your purpose and post it on the wall. I do the same as I put it my yearly goal on my bedroom wall. So when I wake up daily, I just have an eye on it. And lastly, connect your daily actions to your broader why. The last trait is balancing control with self-compassion. Finally, let's explore the mindset of the disciplined individuals who maintain consistent self-control. They balance control with self-compassion. What does this mean? Disciplined individuals recognize that discipline without compassion can lead to burnout. On the other hand, compassion without discipline can result in stagnation. By finding the balance, being firm enough to stay on track while being kind enough to forgive themselves to persist, they achieve long-term success. Again, I give you some actionable strategies which help you to attain this trait. The number 1 is practice self-compassion by acknowledge your efforts. Then treat yourself with kindness when you make mistakes. And lastly, find a balance between discipline and self-care. In short, developing self-control is a journey that requires persistence, patience, and practice. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term success and unlocking your full potential. Remember, self-control is not about being perfect, following rigid rules, or suppressing your desires. It's about cultivating awareness, developing discipline, and achieving your goals. As you continue this journey towards developing a self-control, keep in mind that it's a marathon, not a sprint. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and celebrate your small wins along the way. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Believe Achieve. If you really enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Join our community on social media to connect with like-minded people and stay updated on our latest episodes. Until next time, stay disciplined and keep moving forward. Have a good time.